So guys, if you make any website, any social media, so we require for logo option. How we can making a logo and cover images by using a name is a JPG or PNG format. We can using one of the website is called hfullshopify.com. Just open this website is a URL hfull.shopify.com. We can first of all log in here to a particular Gmail access. So login will be done. Get started option will be here. Here, what is the purpose of logo? Fashion. Here logo, and we can create it for particular option. Fashion purpose, health and beauty, home and garden, food and drink, sports and gifts and collection. Anything will be here. In this I'm selecting option will be tick. So here we can selecting for different option will be there. Select for elegant. We can selecting for elegant and click for next. You're selecting for one name here. We can using this business name and we can using this option or else. Here. Classes in this purpose. Select social media or online store or website purpose. Painting, business card, large surface, physical store, none of the above. So I'm selecting which one? Online store and social media purpose. Next. Here a lot of options are they will show to in this option. Which is a useful one? You can select this option. Which is a useful one? Select this option. See this one. With caption, without caption, both will be there. With caption, you can select by here in this option. So select in this, click for next. And one more thing important guys, this will be downloaded by only for email access. Now click for download. Is a whole link for download by option here. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. This logo we can use anywhere option. We can use anywhere this option will be there. Where you can download this file will be in Gmail access. You have to wait for the particular 10 seconds to 20 seconds or maximum 30 seconds. You have to wait. So you got mail, just open it and download the GIF format. They are supporting for all social media and website purpose. Just show in folder, right click and extract file here and click this one. So where is the file will be here? Open this one. These are the particular Facebook cover and Facebook profile image, favicon, Instagram, LinkedIn, logo option, everything. Logo will be using for transparent option. Logo using for transparent, that will be using for PNG option will be here. How to know that? This will be uploading for your Canva option. They know easily guarantee understanding for here. So just choosing upload image. Is a JPG or not or PNG or not? How we can check in? This option will be here. So where is it? Go to download folder. Here is a PNG option. See this. They will be supporting for PNG, JPG, all format will be there. The logo will be showing for two things. Logo will be PNG with the transparent option. Both will be flexible by the users. Select here in this. Selecting for background and without background. Two option will be eligible by particular things. So here where you can add by in this. This is a particular using transparent image. So this logo will be making using where? By using shopify.com, hfull.shopify.com option will be there. This is totally free. We can make it n number of logos here option. First you can selecting this option, business space option, and after selecting for here, you can selecting for none of the above option also. After selecting for multiple option, you can select none of the above, and start will be here, name and quotation, online store and website, social media, print and swag, business card, large surface, physical store, or none of the above. Any option we can select to making logo. Editing we can selecting for all option also will be not done. In this, so we're selecting for none of the above, remain all will be deleted. Editing we selecting for all option will be here, except none of the above option. Is it clear? Okay, then we can create by this all logo we can making logo and the cover image will be download purpose. These logos will be designed by the social media and a particular website to adding the logo purpose. This logo will be held by the free blogger website and a free WordPress website also. That they give the number of sizes in a transparent image we can using for different anywhere option. The including will be give the website favicon option also will be designed in the particular format. This is a logo will be making for particular website and social media YouTube purpose.